Welcome back. Now let's look at some interesting exercises that I prepared on the topic of the chessboard. So the first one, pretty simple. You can give a chessboard, and the students they have to color it. It can be totally, white. I mean, without any color, or you can just, you can color, let's say, one square. For example, one of the central squares, let's say D4 is black, and they have to color the rest of the chessboard. So that could be an introductory, exercise. Then you can prepare some kind of maze or labyrinth. I'm a big fan of labyrinths. I always drew them. I mean, actually, since I was young, I would draw them. So you can do one on the chessboard. So here I used the website that I actually discovered just recently, called Logic Boards. Check out this website because it's an amazing website. It can act as a demonstrative, let's say, board, especially when you're teaching, let's say, at schools, and you don't want to install, additional software like Chessbase. You can just use this website. But not only that, you can also create some very creative and unique and fun exercises and mini games. So once again, check out Logic Board, the website. Um, Next, okay, just a classical, a boring example, but yeah, I mean, you can give them, also to name the squares. Perhaps you can make it a bit harder if you flip the board, and students have to say, okay. So we have H8, we have D2 square, and B4. Next, name one dark square that you can find on the F file. You can pause the video, so we have F2, F4, F6, and F8. Name one dark square that you can find on the 7th rank. We have A7, C7, E7, and G7. And along A5, D8 diagonal, so this is a dark square diagonal, and all the squares are dark, so you can pick any of them, would work. So A5, B6, C7, or D8. Next, we have to pick one dark square on the intersection of the C file and the 3rd rank. So C file is here, and the 3rd rank is here. So we have the square C3. Next, how many squares are on the edge of the board? So how many? I believe the number is 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Sorry, I meant 28. Yeah, 28 square, not 18. Next, how many squares have 8 neighbors? So eight neighbors, all these squares here, except the ones that are on the rim. So that would be 6 times 6. If my math is correct, that should be 36 squares in total. Next, which color is certain square? But this time without looking at the chessboard. So this is quite a fun and actually very difficult exercise that my dad always loved to give to us. I still remember when I was young, and I was very bad at this, and I'm still bad at this up to this day. So this can be quite tricky. Next, you can use this. This exercise is also quite fun. It's kind of like a bit of a math exercise. So you have to use 4 colors. It can be any 4 colors. Red, blue. I picked red, blue, green, and purple to color the chessboard so that no 2 neighboring regions have the same color. So I have 6 puzzles, so you can check them out now. So here comes the first one. You can pause the video, and the solution is here. second puzzle with solution. Here we have the third puzzle and solution, fourth puzzle, solution, fifth puzzle and solution, and the final puzzle with the magic of editing. Here comes the solution. Okay, good. And finally, this one is kind of interesting. I found it by, it's the Sam Lloyd's puzzle, basically, a famous composer. I found this in his book, yeah, The Puzzle King. Sam Lloyd's chess problems and selected mathematical puzzles. So yeah, pretty challenging. Into how many pieces can a chessboard be divided on the lines so that every piece will be different in shape or color? So the smallest piece can be just one square. The same shape with different colors counts as different. Yeah? So like if you have, let's say, this and this, these two, the same shape but different color, right? So you need to find as try to find try to find the solution. You can pause the video, and here comes the answer. So we have 18 different possibilities. And yeah, that's all about the chessboard. Thanks for your attention. Hopefully it was interesting, something new that you learned. And see you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye.